right. Monster truck's about to get fired up again. All right. All right. We'll get started. Sounds like a song from Static X right now. I think that actually is the theme song of Kamikaze from Static X off their new album. Here we go. Alright, Kamikaze, you're up first. Alright, Kamikaze, let's see what you can do. pretty good. Ooh, zooming along the tracks. There you go. All right, who's our next contestant? Oh, Singer Unleashed is up next. All right, here we go, Zane. All right, Zane. Great. That literally already got it. Wow, that was it? I was not expecting that to be a two-wheel skill, but okay. At least you got air off that one. There it goes again.
Oh my! How about it for Sailor Lee?
All right. Next up is Hurricane Force, Steven Thompson. Or Steve Thompson. All right, Steve. Show us what you do. Looks like the front of the body's coming off. All right, just like Kamikaze, it looks like it's going to line up for another moonwalk or stoppie is what he's going to do. They hadn't even changed the song yet. Oh my god. Yeah. Whoa! We could have toppled over. Alright. That was the first thing on that.
Them things are four-wheel drive, ain't they?
Alright. There we go. Now they changed it. That's better. I hope this will not get me. Alright, he's gonna line for have to find a free space in the donut for the next competition. So yeah, that's it for Steve. Or is it? Oh yeah, it is it. Okay. Yeah. All right, next one. All right, here we go. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. Let's see what you could do. Then go for it. Go for it! Oh yeah! Nice stoppie right there. Loud as hell. Alright, let's see what you're gonna line up for next, huh? Alright. Let's see if he's gonna do it again. This time around. There we go. That's it for Velociraptor. That was great. Birthday driver. Yeah, it's gonna happen quite a bit. I apologize for that, guys.
And he is the War Wizard.
Yeah! War Wizard, my favorite one. All right, birthday driver. Go for it! Here we go. Thing is proud, wow. next. He's going to. That was awesome. There you have it. War Wizard, one of the classic ones.
Our monster truck 2-wheel skills competition. Who thinks the winner should be Kamikaze?
Kamikaze?
Who thinks the winner should be Singer Unleashed?
No.
Who thinks the winner should be Hurricane Force?
Alright.
Got some Hurricane Force fans. Alright, there you go. Who thinks it should be the Velociraptor?
Barely anyone.
And who thinks it should be War Wizard?
Yeah! Yeah, War Wizard won that one.
We have a winner!
Yeah!
War Wizard!
Yeah! War Wizard knows how to pull a stunt off like that. He knows what's up. Awesome. There we go.
RJ, you had an awesome performance last night.
That's War Wizard right there.
Here today, you left off here, you get picked up right where you started, man. Congratulations. I know it's awesome, man. I'm still trying to get this lap to work right here in this little area. I'm not even coming to get it by the end of these shows this weekend. And I like doing those wheelies, but at the same time, I actually like to show some power out here. You know, those wheelies are nothing but balancing. You know, anybody can do that kind of stuff. You know, I just put it out to do some power wheelies and some cool stuff. You know, we'll figure it out by the end of the weekend. Where are you going? I know these fans looking for those, I call them wizard wheelies. If you're really good at them, man. You pick those 2 front tires up.
I don't think my voice is going to be the same after this.
Is that just a
Because I'm going to be screaming and wooing the whole time. Let's see who would win the... I would not be surprised if War Wizard won this one, because quite literally it's one of my favorites. It's one of the classic monster trucks that debuted back in 2003. And you gotta love War Wizard. You gotta love him. Yeah. War Wizard won the first one. Now it's all up to the donut competition next. All right, so now we're on to the donut competition. All right, let's kick this one off with Kamikaze. I guess they're gonna do it in the same order like they did last time in this one. But I could be wrong. We'll see how Kamikaze. All right, we're gonna get all the shots kicked up into our face. All right, here we go. Here comes Kamikaze. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna get all that. I think you're already done. Wow. Well, that was a short-lived one, I guess. All right, different order this time around. All right, let's go. Hurricane Force. And since you're in a Hurricane Force, you're gonna pull off a good old hurricane with your cyclone, baby. All right, pull off a good wind for the storm. I am the storm of Hurricane Force. See how much thing anyway. Now that was more better than last time. There you go. Hurricane Force. Kamikaze didn't do well on that one, but Hurricane Force did. Did great on that one. All right, Velociraptor is up next. All right, Velociraptor. Show us what you got. Show us what you got. Fencing right there, but other than that though, Velociraptor did great. There you go, Velociraptor. we go. Yeah. All right. Birthday man won the first competition. Now let's see if he can perform the donuts. If I have to do a bit of a spin with those spells you could cast on your enemies. Good. I say War Wizard did pretty good. Not as good as Velociraptor, but still, he did pretty good. And also, I forgot to mention, it's also up to our decision. It's not the judge's decision to choose who won. It's now ours. Not like you do in the Monster Jam event, where it's up to the judge's decision to see who won. But now it's up to us. Isn't that awesome?
What's wrong with it, but nonetheless.
Oh, so Stinger Unleashed apparently has some problems. So it appears that it's not going to compete. Kamikaze?
Alright. Who thinks the winner should be Hurricane Force?
Well?
Who thinks it should be Velociraptor?
Yeah, Velociraptor did good on that one.
And who thinks it should be War Wizard?
War Wizard still deserves it. Still deserves it.
No, he didn't.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the competition winner is Velociraptor!
Yeah, he did good on that one. Well, let's see how Velociraptor would do in the time trials. All right, here comes the little kids. Here comes the little kids. Stinger Unleashed, Mini, and Lady Luck. All right. All right, you two. There's the little kids. Awesome. 6-year-olds partaking in this event. Wow. Wow, look at how young they look. That's how you know that they're not kidding about it. It's one of those dragster things like where the body lifts up and then the driver connects it and can get in and close it when they're in. Yeah, that's what I get. Anyways, I'm not going to waste any more time on this part, so I'm just going to wait till that ends so we can move on to the next event. So in the meantime, I'll catch you all up onto that part. Alright, now it's time for the time trials, is that right? It looks like it is. Alright, here comes Kamikaze. It's always the first one. A good one for Kamikaze. Great, that was good. I don't know if this is going to go to us to the judge who's going to win, or if it's up to the judges. I don't know. I guess it's going to be the same thing like it was every time. All right, Stinger Unleashed is up next. Stinger Unleashed, boy. that one's definitely coming off. There's no doubt on that. That's one of my favorite things about monster trucks like that. The body's gonna fall off. Often brings a lot of adrenaline to me. And that's what I like about it. All right, go finger on lead. All right. Did good on that first one. The front hose is about to come off. Wait till freestyle happens. He's gonna lose that off. Wow. All right, next up is Velociraptor. Here we go. All right. Get onto that track. Yeah, Velociraptor's gonna win this. Just like how it was. See how that Velociraptor won that one. All right, here we go. Hurricane Force up next. Let's see how you can perform, Steve. Let's go. This is gonna go. Got it, Steven. Hit the. Nice air on that one, Steve. Oh! There you go. Well, Steve, that was good. We might have a new leader here. Let's make sure. 19.596. Alright, Hurricane Force might be our new leader now. That was a good one. Alright, here comes the birthday man. War Wizard. Here we go. Go on, man. You lost the last competition, but I have faith in you. Yeah, I don't know. If he beaten that score. I don't know if he did.
So, look at the time right there for War Wizard. Holy smokes!
Oh, might be our winner.
19.96 for Hurricane Force. There's a time for War Wizard. 19.56.
Yeah! War Wizard! Yeah! War Wizard won again! I think it might be a tie between both War Wizard and Velociraptor. If Velociraptor wins the freestyle competition, we might have a tie, unless to see who's the overall event champion here. Alright. Now, that was a good one. Alright, that was a good one. Now I'm going to pause this until we move on to freestyle. Alright, we got Mini Shredder. I'm not so sure if this is part of the freestyle competition or what. But here we go. Alright. Great. I think he's attempted to do a donut here. Woo! That's loud. Not too loud from here, but it might be loud for him. guess all these little jumps are just meant for the minis, I guess. He's going crazy on those donuts. I don't know if you saw that, guys. Did well. Dude, he's not done. He's still going. Yeah! Yeah, that was good. Here we go, Lady Luck. Oh, that was some big air on Lady Luck right there. Yeah, that was good. Not afraid to send it. Yeah, that's right. Great. There we go. Oh, he's lining up for the big jump. That was good. Great. Uh-oh, looks like that she shut off. That was good. Yeah. There's also a few other of the monster trucks, but I'm not gonna waste my time looking at those, honestly. Oh, looks like she was about to stick to the wall. Well, that she's about to. Well, not anymore, but yeah. Yeah, that's right. Now, there's the other monster truck though, but I'm not going to film that because, well, for one thing, I'm about to run out of footage here, so for now, I'm going to skip it. But yeah, there we go, Lady Luck. Stay tuned for the other trucks. I didn't get that on footage, but if you guys do not know, the axle broke off. So yeah, it doesn't look like that you will be performing anytime soon, are you? I mean, at least you tried. At least you tried. All right, let's get the party really going with Kamikaze for freestyle now. Here we go. Woo! The only part of the track that is still. Oh, did the truck shut off? The truck shut off. Oh yeah, the truck shut off.
Not sure exactly what was going on right there in that Kamikaze truck.
If they can get it running again. Oh, here we go. It's got it running again. All right, Kamikaze. broke off a piece of suspension. Oh, that's why. All right, well, he's going in the back for sure. Yeah, he's going in the back. Yeah, he's done. He's done. All right. Well, at least that was a good. That was good on him, though. That was pretty good. All right, Stinger Unleashed is up next. Following Kamikazes. Oh, uh-oh. Well, looks like we got a problem already. Oh, well. Got a problem already. Anyways, here we go. Oh, yeah, he's taking it this way. Oh, what? What is he doing? Is he already going into the... What? Alright, well, apparently the steering is all jacked up.
Some problems again for Stinger Unleashed.
Yeah, I've seen that in a lot of Monster Jam events, honestly. That often can be, quite a big issue.
When you're in a tight track like this, it's a big deal to have your steering working.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. All right, well, with that being said, let's move on with Stephen Thompson, Hurricane Force. This show might be ended a bit early before we all know it. All right. Stinger Unleashed is not doing very well. Oh, almost hit into the fence. Steering again! Woo! Steering almost lost again! Steering was lost again! You serious? Yeah, honestly, that's what really gets the fans going, it feels like to me. The truck rolling over like it does in arenas and stadiums.
See how his back tire hit that?
Yeah, of course. Oh, yeah.
It's called a butt kicker in Monster Jam now.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, that's interesting. I haven't. Yeah.
Are you going to the show tonight?
What show?
The other show tonight is that's it.
I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna be staying for much longer.
I hope they'll be fixed by tonight.
Yeah, I don't know, but I think we might be leaving by the time when the show ends here for today. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, Velociraptor's up next. Here we go. Let's hope it doesn't break like it did this time. So far, the other trucks have not been doing very well. The other trucks had steering issues, like 2 or 3 already. Already jacked up. Come on, Velociraptor. Alright, great air to come off. Alright. No steering problems, so that's good. That's really good. That's what we all need. That's what we all need. You won't do it. Well, that was good. Didn't get a whole lot of air on that one, but that was good. Good monster trucks there. Yeah. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. Good. This is the first truck in this competition that actually is doing really well. The other ones did not do God. How much crap they did. Oh yeah, it's gonna run on this end. Yeah. Uh-oh. He ripped the tarp. window for War Wizard. I don't know if he's gonna beat Velociraptor, and that's it for him. I don't know if War Wizard's gonna win this one. Kind of worried about it, but we'll have to see what would happen when he comes up. So apparently Shredders came out to max out in size here, just switched out for a bigger truck. All right, here we go. Well, okay, so it looks like the Singer Unleashed is going out again. All right, let's see how Singer Unleashed will do this time. I don't know if, yeah, I don't know why. I guess Shredder's gonna be coming up next after CJ. It looks like, I don't know. All right, well, he's in the back. Let's go Monster Truck down. Fire about those trucks come off. Oh, that's loud. Really loud. You're the judge. He's going, go, go. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to say, go, man. Go, CJ. Uh-oh. Transmission's catching fire. That's what you see in Monster Jam eventually. The truck is upset. The gas is upset. Put him out of a good show. Serious again. Wow, a louder motor it sounds like. Well. Yeah, steering issues again. Steering issues. Steering issues. Oh, what's that? The truck's upset. Oh! Oh, he crashed into the fence post. Looks like Melvin's got to bend that back in place. Man. Transmission, like the truck is upset, and it hit into the guardrail. That was good though. All right, guys, here comes Shredder after a replacement. Oh, he's only doing a donut already. Wow. Yeah, Shredder. Shredder, go, baby, go. Whoa! Really good defense on that one. Come on, Trevor! Go, go! Yeah! He's now in the way. He's in the way. But that ain't gonna stop Shredder though. Is Shredder having problems too? The engine is heating up. The engine's heating up. Wow. Is he seriously done? He's done, bro. What? Wow.
It sounded bad.
Yeah, of course.
Turned around and what is that?
I can only imagine if they allowed him to kept on running, the engine would have blown up. That could have happened if they allowed him to keep going. He did good. Suspension was good, but freestyle run wasn't as on par, but still was pretty good. Yeah, we need one more. We need one more. We know what that is. It's time for one more. We know who's next. And the last of the show.
We gotta help this guy out.
War Wizards up next. All right, Birthday Man is the last one. War Wizard. Come on, War Wizard. Show what you got. Oh, yeah. Yep. He's gonna win this one. War Wizard's definitely gonna win this one. Oh, he's gotta get around to for some reason. Come on. Yeah! Come on, we know you're gonna be the one to perform well. You better than Velociraptor. That's something he's gonna do. Woo! Did well. Okay, he almost hit into the guardrail. It looked like almost. All right. Come on. Come on. Where was there? Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, they snapped the guardrail off. Sorry, good stop. Where was there? Ah, baby. Woo! Caused a lot of damage. I don't know if we're going to come here and fix that once the show's over, for at least for now. Come on, War Wizard. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, you can do better than that. Oh, I think I know what she's lining up for. Is that, I think that's run. Yeah, I think that's run. Yeah! I think War Wizard have won this one, baby. Might be way more better than all the others. Well, Kamikaze barely did anything.
Who thinks the winner should be Hurricane Force?
I don't know if Hurricane Force even competed.
Singer Unleashed.
Singer Unleashed barely did anything.
It should be Velociraptor.
Velociraptor did good.
And
it's gonna get loud.
It should be War Wizard.
Yeah! War Wizard won! We know who won!
Gentlemen, your freestyle
who is it?
And the overall event winner.
Oh, who's it? Yeah! Yes! War Wizard won! Happy birthday, man! You got the win you deserved!
Oh, yeah!
Yeah! War Wizard won! Yeah, War Wizard, you deserve it! Yeah! Let's see, who's your birthday gift, man?
Congratulations, bro. One more good show tonight coming up. We'll get to see some of you guys come back.
Bro, let's watch this announcement. Let's watch this announcement. To rise up a little bit. Yeah! Happy birthday, man! You deserve the win! You deserve it! You deserve it, War Wizard! You deserve it! Yeah! That was awesome. Well, that was great. There it was, ladies and gentlemen. War Wizard had won this event. I might not come back here later on today, but that show was awesome. Anyways, I hope you all enjoy it and stick around for some more. And stick around for some interesting ones. See y'all next time.